Hey there, running an online store and want sales to flow into your books automatically? Integrating FreshBooks with Shopify syncs your orders and customer data, eliminating manual entry. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to connect them. In FreshBooks, go to Integrations in the main menu and search for Shopify. Click Connect, and you'll be prompted to log into your Shopify store to authorize the link. You can set rules for how often data syncs and how orders are categorized. Once connected, new Shopify orders will create corresponding invoices or sales entries in FreshBooks. My crucial pro tip: map your Shopify sales channels to specific income accounts. During setup, ensure different types of sales, like online store versus POS, are categorized into the correct income accounts in FreshBooks. This gives you detailed profit reports by sales channel. That's how you create a seamless bridge between your e-commerce and accounting worlds. What's the biggest time saver when integrating your store with accounting software? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on powerful integrations, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.